Okay, it's Pat again, back at Sema 18. We're in the tool area. This is where you can find all the body repair and tools for repair of vehicles. They've got air tools, body shop tools. We've got clear coat, pretty much anything you ever wanted. We got connectors for electronics, taps and drills, welders. This is a truck bed liner company that sells the products to spray. We got this guy doing a demonstration of setting up a pinstripe on a little vinyl project. Pretty slick. You put this tape down below the vinyl in a pattern, put the vinyl on top, pull it, and it gives you your pinstripe. Pretty slick product. It's been out for a few years. I actually saw that at Sema probably 3 years ago. These are all fasteners. Company that makes every kind of fastener you need, from hose clamps to rivets, all the way to fender connections and heat shrink tubing even. These guys are at their campfire, hanging out at their campfire in the middle of the Las Vegas desert. These guys are cruising the show. Couple of hot shots riding down the aisle. Couple of hot shots riding down the aisle on their scooters. Clear coats, lifts with looks like maybe some frame straightening equipment. So we got a lot of people coming through here now. Finally, the doors have opened and everybody's coming in. Got a nice Charger here. Look at that car. Look at that. That's nice. Look at the red line tires. Low profile. Real cool. This is Malco. Oh, Epic. Paint correction.
There's Chinese.
And we're coming through the tool section. Here's an airbrush little station. They sell airbrushes. Little airbrush pumps, whatnot. Body panel glue that I just passed. Different brands of paint that a lot of people haven't heard of. That's kind of a weird looking lift there. I don't know how you get the car up there, but that's pretty slick.